Two-phase, four-wire service refers to a two-phase electrical service that uses four conductors. Firstly, two-phase conductors, usually designated as A and B. Secondly, a neutral conductor, designated as N. Thirdly, a ground conductor designated as G. Two-phase, four-wire service is primarily used for powering two-phase electric motors. Two-phase motors are typically used in older industrial applications, some heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, and medical equipment. In a two-phase, four-wire system, the two-phase conductors carry alternating currents that are 90 degrees out of phase. The neutral conductor is used to provide a return path for the current. The ground conductor is for safety purposes. Two-phase, four-wire service is less common today than three-phase or single-phase service. This is because two-phase motors are generally less efficient and generate more heat than their three-phase counterparts. Additionally, the availability of inexpensive variable frequency drives has made it easier to control three-phase motors. It is unlikely that the reference to two-phase, four-wire service is a misprint in the National Electrical Code codebooks. The National Electrical Code has consistently recognized this type of service since at least the 1978 edition.